video, and this time I'm going to be reviewing a Polygel kit by MODELONES. So this bad boy you can find on Amazon, which means that if you have Amazon Prime, this bad boy will be at your door within 2 days. So of course I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave the link and the promo code down below in the description so you guys can get 15% off this kit. Now the price of this kit is $39.99 and then minus your discount. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what all is in this box. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, so of course it comes with the little manual booklet, which comes with instructions. And let's see, so it has, so it has instructions on how to actually apply the Polygel, and then some useful tips as well. It also comes with, let's see, it says free gift. Okay, so they do offer a few little free gifts, so be sure to go check out their website because I know they always give out free things depending on how much you spend. So be sure to go check them out on their website as well. But anyways, the first thing that I see that we have here is a nail light, and you guys know that pink is my favorite color. So, oh, that is a really pretty pink. So we have this really pretty pink nail light, and let's see, it comes with the power cord as well, of course, and it just kind of looks like that. It doesn't have a base, so it's super light, and you know, you could use it even for when you're doing toes. I like whenever it doesn't have a base, that way you're not having to take the base on and off. You can just put it over someone's feet when you're doing gel polish on toes. Same thing for, you know, nails. You know, you just set it on the table, and it's super easy for your client to just slip their hand in and out. That's what it looks like. It has the 30-second button, 60 and 90, and it has the little display screen as well where it will count down your seconds. Ooh, so it looks like we just have a whole bunch of little goodies. Oh, it also comes with the manual to the nail light. So I see we have some foil. We have, oh, even some decals. So some flame decals and then butterflies. We have some nail forms. We also have the dual forms, and it looks like we have two little baggies with the dual forms. We also have some bling. We have the little striper tape. It comes with a nail file. This, I believe, is a cuticle pusher. Let's see. Oh, it's like some tweezers. Yeah, I don't know why I thought this was a cuticle pusher, but it comes with some tweezers. I know some people use tweezers to pick up like their bling and stuff, but you know, I use a wax pencil. It also comes with some bling. So we have the clear ones, and then we have the, I think I call these the flame ones because it has like different colors, like depending on how the light hits it. You see how it looks like orangey and yellow and purple, so those are super cute. We also have some glitters, which, oh yeah, these are so beautiful. That is so pretty. I love that pink one. Oh, it even has like butterflies in there as well. Then we have, what is this? We have, oh, okay, so a nail primer. We also have the base coat. We have the top coat, the brush and picker. And then lastly, oh wait, no, we also have the poly nail gel slip solution. So this is what you would use to wet your brush basically. And then lastly, we have the polygel. So it comes with 3 different polygels, and y'all, these are like a good size container. So these are the 1 ounce containers, so definitely a good size. And then it looks like we have a pink, a clear, and a pure white. So y'all, we actually got a lot of stuff. So you are going to be getting all of this for under $40 because again, the price of it is $39.99, but you'll get that 15% off. And y'all, that is a really good price because I mean, it literally comes with everything. Plus, you know, like your nail art items to do polygel nails on yourself. And y'all, this pink is so beautiful. So I guess I'm gonna be trying the polygel on my nails, or on the, let's see, do I want to do my nails? I guess I'll just end up doing my nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and decide what exactly I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you how to use the polygel on a few of my nails. Alrighty, y'all, so because it comes with the dual forms and the regular forms, I'm gonna go ahead and just do one of each. So I'm just gonna do 2 nails, and then I'm gonna use all 3 of the polygels. So the first thing that you're gonna need is just to get a paper towel. This is where you're gonna be wiping off your brush. You're also gonna need a dapping dish, and you don't need one this big, but this is the only one that I have right now. And you're just gonna pour a little bit of this slip solution into your dapping dish. Like, y'all, literally just a little bit, because I mean the bottle is already pretty small. Let's see. And of course, I'm not going to be keeping the nails on, so I did a little bit of cuticle oil on my nail bed. That way the nail will come right off. But I guess I'm going to try to do the dual form first. So what you want to do is basically just size your nail. Let's see. So the number 3 fit perfectly on my middle finger. So that's the one that I'm gonna use. Make sure that it fits exactly from sidewall to sidewall, and that it fits perfectly around your cuticle area. You don't want it to be too big or too small. And then as you can see, they do have lines on them, and basically that's just your guide for like the length. So I don't really know how long I'm gonna do them, but you know, I'm just gonna use that as a guide. So of course you would usually go in with a primer the primer and the base coat. But again, since I'm not going to be keeping the nails on, you know, I'm just going to skip that step. But just know that you do have to apply them. Which one do I want to do? I guess I'm just going to go in with the clear on this one. And then I'm probably going to use some of this glitter right here. You guys know pink is my favorite color, so I always go for the pink. So what you want to do is literally just squeeze some of the polygel onto your little spatula, your picker, whatever you want to call it, and then just place it on your dual form. And I guess since I got a big bead, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the nail long, and then I'm gonna dip my nail. And then I'm gonna dip my brush into the slip solution, and I'm just gonna go in and just pat it down, basically to even it out and make sure that it's on the entire dual form. You don't want it to be slip solution. I'm just gonna go in and kind of wet my brush a little bit, tap the glitter a little bit, and then I'm just gonna place a little bit of that glitter on the tip, to where we kind of get like an ombre effect. So making sure that we don't apply too much as we get like to the back part. We want to apply most of it on the tip. Alrighty, so just like that, and then now I'm gonna go in and apply a little bit more of polygel, basically just to encapsulate the glitter. Okay, so after you apply that polygel, now I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my nail and just kind of press down a little bit. Okay, so after you apply that polygel, now I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my nail and just kind of press down a little bit. Alrighty, y'all, so I went ahead and cured the nail. So alrighty, so just like that, that's what it looks like right after I take the dual form off. So it's not perfect, but of course, you know, I'm gonna have to go in and shape it up and all that good stuff. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I didn't see any alcohol wipes in the box, but you do want to make sure that before you start filing that you wipe the nail off with an alcohol wipe, because it is sticky. And I don't know if you guys can tell. There you go. you can tell, you know, it has the little sticky residue on it after you cure it. So since, you know, this part doesn't have any polygel, I am gonna go in and just cut it down to save some time on filing. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the hand file that it comes with, which is the 100/180 hand file. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in and apply the Alrighty, so that is what it looks like now. When I was shaping it, it did come off and I had to glue it back on. So that's what you see right there. But y'all, that top coat is super shiny and it dried super fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next nail. And for that one, I'm gonna be using the pink and the white polygel. Alrighty, so whenever you're applying the form, you want to make sure that it goes right underneath the free edge, and then just make sure you hold it down. Now, if you want to do like a stiletto shape, then you would pinch it kind of how it was, but since I'm gonna do like a square, then I probably shouldn't have pinched it that much. So what I'm doing is just going in with my picker and then just kind of opening up the edge. That way it's not as pointed. See, now it kind of gives us that like coffin shape now. So I'm gonna go in with these two colors. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty pink. So with this one, I'm just gonna place the pink closer to the cuticle area. Remember, you always wanna make sure that you dip your brush into your slip solution, because if not, the polygel is gonna get stuck to your brush. And we're just gonna go ahead and start patting. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're being super gentle, because if you pat too hard, the polygel is just gonna go all over the place. Oh y'all, this like literally went on so smoothly. Like, wow. Okay, y'all, like that literally went on flawlessly. Y'all see how like fast I did that? That was literally like not even a full minute, and it went on perfectly. I'm just gonna clean up my cuticle area. And with this one, I'm gonna do like a French tip or reverse French tip. So I did the pink first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. So I cured the pink for 60 seconds. So now, oh y'all, I probably have to cure for longer. The bottom is still wet. Hold on. Okay, so this polygel, this one right here, the pink one changed colors. So I don't know if you guys seen that, but see, it's blue and purple, and then when it's hot, I guess it's pink. Or maybe when it's hot, it's purple, and when it's cold, it's pink. I think that's what it is. Because whenever I put it in the light, that's when it turns like that purple color. And then when I take it out, it changed colors again. So it's cured now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it off with an alcohol wipe. So once it's cured, I'm gonna go in and just do some filing. Again, this is gonna be a reverse pink and white. So this is right here is gonna be my smile line. So I just wanna make sure I go in there and get it nice and even. And yes, I did cut myself. I went in with the drill just a little bit to make sure that my cuticle area was nice and neat, and I did accidentally cut myself a little bit. But now I'm gonna go in with the white. Now I did notice that the white and the pink are a little bit on the runnier side. I didn't really have that problem with the clear one, so just wanted to, you know, let you guys know. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit because I don't want this nail to be that long. I'm just gonna place that right on the free edge, and then with the brush, I'm gonna go in and just start patting. And pushing it up towards these sides. All right, so just like that, and then don't worry about getting the white on the pink, because whenever we come into file, you know, it's gonna come right off. But do make sure that your sides and stuff are like that, well, that you get the white all the way up to the sides. And cure this for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so I just cured, and I actually noticed that it takes a little bit longer to cure. So instead of curing for 60 seconds, I just went ahead and did 90 seconds, and it's nice and dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take that form off. Let me go ahead and put the top on these. And then after that, we're just gonna go in and shape it up. That's what it looked like after it's cured. So I forgot that I had the bling, so I'm just gonna go in and apply a little bit of bling going to the side. And I'm just using my wax pencil. This one does not come with the kit. So that is how the two nails came out. So for this one, we used the dual forms, and then for this one, I just used the regular paper forms. Now, honestly, I feel like using the paper forms, which are these, is a lot easier for me. I don't know about you guys, but be sure to let me know down in the comments, do you prefer to use these forms or the dual forms? Let me know down below, because I'm really, you know, I'm trying to figure out if it's just me, because I know the dual forms can be easy to apply. It just takes a little bit of practice, or is it just that I have a little bit more experience using these forms? I don't know. Let me know down below. But yeah, so that is what they look like. So again, this kit definitely comes with a lot. So if you're looking for a polygel kit that comes with everything that you need to do your own polygels, I would definitely recommend this one. I honestly would give it maybe an 8 out of 10. The only reason why I give it an 8 is because the pink and the white are a little bit or maybe just, I know for a fact the pink one was a little bit runny. So that's the only reason why. But other than that, I just love how it comes with a whole bunch of goodies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, and then one thing that I did notice is that it did not come with a buffer, so I ended up just having to use one of mine. But this is the only thing that it does not come with, is your buffer. Other than that, everything was there. Hold on. And then another thing that I really like from this kit is definitely the top coat is so shiny. Y'all just notice this nail is a little bit crooked, but you guys get the gist of it. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is the Polygel kit by Model-Ones. And again, I'll be sure to leave all of the information down below in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.